What's poppin', y'all? This is your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to create and add a chatbot to a bid selling website so that it can handle customer service for you, and especially for a bid maker, because sometimes you're always making bids and sometimes clients don't understand that. They just want to buy a bid right now, and let's say a client is like, yo, I want to buy a bid right now, but then you are not available. And then once you become available, they already changed their mind. Then you lost like $500. I've lost a lot of that. So that's why I'm adding this chatbot to avoid that. So now when you have a chatbot, it will be online 24/7. You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely what you need for a bid selling business, so that you can actually focus on making bids and let the chatbot focus on the customer service for you. Okay, so before you start, you will need three things, which is a website, could be WordPress or HTML or even Wix, and you also need a Facebook page, and you also need a free ManyChat account, and the link is in the description below. So I already have an account, as always. I always gotta be ahead of the game. So you just gotta click get started here, free. I'm just gonna sign in, and it's better if you sign up with Facebook, because it's gonna make it easier for you to connect your Facebook account, since this works hand in hand with Facebook. So I'm gonna click sign in with Facebook. Okay, cool. Now I'm in. You know what I'm saying? So as I said, I already have a couple of accounts, as you can see on the side, but then you need to create one. You see here where it says create new account. You just gotta create your account and connect it to a Facebook page. And once that is done, then you're gonna go to settings and go to Messenger, just to see if everything is all connected. Okay, cool. If it says disconnect, it means disconnected. If it says connect, it means it's disconnected. Just connect it, and then you're good to go. Okay, we're gonna go to growth tools, and we're gonna create our first chatbot that we're gonna put on our website. We're gonna be using this website. It's a very nice website. It's an incomplete website. I want to make this my own custom bid selling website, because I feel like it's better if you control everything, so that I can be able to hook up my chatbots to my bids, and you can be able to search through my bids and all of that. So I'm working on this. So if you want a custom bid selling website like this, just hit me up. Okay, now let's go back to it. Go to new growth tool, click on new growth tool, and you're gonna search for customer chat. So you can see it says embed Facebook customer chat on your website to support and engage visitors through Messenger. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna create one. So alright, cool. So now here at the top, you see it says growth tool number 13, because this is my 13th one. Yours might say one. Just click on it so you can change this name to, just double click and change the name to, let's say first chatbot. Right, so now that's fine. Then you're gonna go back to edit. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is how we're gonna be working. So this thing works with flows. As you can see, this is the starting step, and this is the next step. So the starting step, you see, once we click on it, you get more information about it on the side. Like even when I click on this card, you get information on the side. So the starting step right now, it says that once the customer chat opens, you know what I'm saying? Once somebody opens up the customer chat on your website, it must run through this bot. So it means currently right now, this bot will just be, once somebody opens up your website and click on the chatbot, they will just see this welcome first name, thank you for subscribing. So we're gonna change this and make it into a bid selling way. So the starting step is fine. We're gonna let it be. We're gonna change this message here. Okay, we're gonna remove all of this. Then you're gonna say hi. We're gonna click here and select the first name here by the dot and go to first name. So if your first name is Julia, I'll be like hi Julia, and then I'm gonna say welcome to Reggie Beatz, and I'm gonna say the home of quality trap beats. Now we're doing about beats. I'm gonna say how can I help you? Alright, cool. So since now I have this, when they open up the chatbot, they're gonna see this part. I also gotta give them a couple of ideas of what I could help them with. So you can see here where it says quick reply. Click on quick reply, so you'll see what this does. So yeah, I'm gonna say let me just say how to buy Beatz, and then the next one I'm gonna say beat licensing, and the next one I'm gonna say beat pricing. No, I think licensing and pricing can go together. Beat licensing and pricing. So you can see there's too many words. I'm gonna remove the beat and just licensing and pricing because you in Reggie Beatz, of course, it's about beats. And then the last one, maybe I'll just say let's see what else. Oh, collab. Okay, so this is the chatbot now. So here's the first step. You get to the website, you see this message. So now the user has a choice of clicking these buttons so they can get help. So here it says how to buy Beatz. So click on the dot there, and then you're gonna create a new message. After when the user clicks on how to buy Beatz, I'm gonna come here and click messenger. Then you're gonna add a text. So we're gonna say to buy Beatz, you need to select any beat that you like from the Beatz store, add it to cart, and select the relevant license, add a promo code if you have, then check out via PayPal or Stripe. Okay, so now I gave this guy whatever information that he needs to purchase a beat, and then maybe here I can just add a button. Where it says add button, then the button can just say listen to Beatz. So you see, when I click on the button, it says when this button is pressed, what must happen? I want it to open a website where you can listen to Beatz. So I'm gonna click on open website, and I'm gonna go to my website and just copy there, because sometimes they could view this bot from somewhere. Then it will just go to my website. I'm gonna click done. Okay, licensing and pricing, I'll do the same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my pricing. Maybe I'll say MP3 lease wave and then unlimited. And I'm gonna put the prices there. Let's say $30. Then I'm gonna put price there, $50. I'm gonna put the price, which is like 100. So then I can just maybe make it make sense and say here are the pricing and licensing details. You see, then I'm gonna say to view more, click on the button. So I'm gonna click here and say view more, see more, and then I'm gonna open up a website again, and this website is gonna link to my licensing. So where is my licensing? I think I have licensing here. I know Beatz does have, so licensing info, so they can just come and see the licensing info here, and they'll still be in the same bot. Cool. Then collab. Then if somebody wants to collab, then I will just also decide where I take them. I could make a message again and let them know the details of how to collab. But right now I'll just copy this and just paste it there, because I'm just trying to show you guys how it works. Okay, now we have that there. So here's the chatbot. I think if I can click on preview, now we'll be able to preview it. Then you click on send to messenger. Then if nothing is happening, just open up Facebook. I think you need to open up Facebook first for the preview to work. And then I'm gonna go back to ManyChat, click preview. There we go. There's the preview there. So let's check how it looks. Okay, so currently we'll just see it on Facebook, because as I said, this thing works with Facebook Messenger. And then I've been sending a lot, that's why there's a lot of them. So I'm gonna say how to, let's say, beat licensing and pricing. Okay, that's good. Here are the details of the pricing. See more. Perfect, you know what I'm saying? And I can still send normal chats, and you'll still be able to see the normal chats after when I see all of this, because you still want to, because there'll still be some questions that you'll want to answer yourself, so you still can. So now let's just take this and put it onto the website, since we know it works. Now let's just go back to ManyChat, and we're gonna go to settings. Just click on the one that we've been working on. Okay, now here where it says growth tool, just also double click there and name it first bot. I think that was supposed to be the folder there. So now as you can see on the side, it says install JavaScript snippet. So that's the one that you're gonna install to your website so that it can start showing on your website. And now you're gonna click on install JavaScript, and then you're gonna add your website here. So my website is already added, just so that it can be authorized. And then you click on install ManyChat snippet. So you're gonna click this and copy, So as you can see, they say place this into the head of every page of a website. So if you're using HTML, just copy this and paste it in between the head. But if you're using WordPress, I'm gonna show you guys right now how to do it. Let's go to the website. I'm gonna log in the admin. Okay, cool. Once I've logged in, then I'm gonna go install a plugin which is called, and go to header and footer manager. Okay, let's see. Yeah, then we can just add this one, and then here it is here at the bottom. Gonna add a new snippet because we want to add the footer. When I add the code to the footer, the easiest way, so I'll just call it ManyChat, and I'm gonna say it's HTML, it must be on all the sides, and then I'm gonna paste there. All the page, I'm gonna paste there, save it on the header, and then now let's go back to our website. We should have the bot right now on the website. Okay, let's see. Boom, there we go, first attempt. Hey, shout out to us. Then you click on it. We're gonna log in as guest. How to buy Beatz. Cool. To buy Beatz, you need to, okay, I'm gonna say listen to Beatz. Then I can come here and just listen to the Beatz. And I can also ask something like, yo, what's up? And then I'll definitely get it inside my Facebook, and I can be able to reply to you. Like you can see now when I go to live chat, yo, what's up? And I can just go to live chat and just reply to you like, I'm here, dog. And then now I should go back to the website, which is this one, and I'm here, dog. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make a chatbot. So we made a simple one, but you can make it more and more complex. And if you want me to make a chatbot for you, there's a link in the description below. I will build you the chatbot of your dreams. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get, if you like this, hit the sub button. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.